Hi, I'm Nick, PPC Manager here at Autoshop Solutions.
And I'm Brian, SEO Specialist here at Autoshop Solutions. We're an automotive digital marketing agency specializing in websites and internet marketing solutions. Today we're here answering the question, why shouldn't you Google yourself?
We decided to make this video together because we see tons of clients from both PPC and SEO making the same mistake.
So Nick, I searched for my shop. Why didn't I show up?
Every ad account in Google uses a daily budget set by the advertiser. So if your customers click on your ads and spend all of your daily budgets, Google will just not have any more to spend, so it'll stop showing. And also, if you search for yourself before and never clicked on your ad, Google knows you're not likely to click, so it stops showing you the ads. Google makes money when people click on them, so that's why they're called pay-per-click. If you never click, they won't make money off of you, so they won't show you ads. What about from SEO?
From the SEO side, searching for yourself rarely produces accurate results since there are so many factors that influence those results. It's a common misconception that if people use a different device, they aren't logged into their Google account, they use an incognito or private browser, and so on, Google will show real-world search results. In short, it won't work. It's important to remember that things like your location, previous search behavior, and several other factors will impact search results. This might be why you're not seeing your business for the searches you're making.
So should I search for my business online?
No, definitely not. If you search for yourself or a service you provide, your website may or may not appear in search results. If it does appear and you choose not to click on your website, this tells Google that your website is not relevant to that search. On that note, trying to game the system by clicking on your website when it appears won't help you either. Google understands real user behavior compared to your own mock search. Sorry guys. Remember, Google only wants to show results that it feels are most relevant to a search query. The more times you try searching for your business just to see how well you rank, the more Google remembers this and effectively lowers your rankings. No business wants that. What about for PPC, Nick?
That works very similar for your Google ads, actually. Google adjusts how it shows ads based on consumer behavior, and Google only wants to show your ads to users who are most likely to click on them. So if you pretend to be a consumer and you click on your ads, you've just charged yourself money. But if you don't click, it signals to Google that your ads are not very good or relevant for that search. This is the same as you mentioned before with SEO. It's going to be more difficult for your ads to show up the next time a real customer searches for your business.
Yeah, makes sense to me.
So that wraps up today. Thanks for watching.
For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website or subscribe to our YouTube channel.